Tesla is continuing its rapid pace of innovation, particularly with its full self-driving FSD software. Recently, Tesla began releasing version 13 of its FSD software to early testers and employees. While version 13 is another step towards full autonomy, it's an important milestone because it marks the point where Tesla's technologies is becoming more capable of providing a complete end-to-end driving experience. Previously, Tesla vehicles could only drive autonomously in certain situations and still required the driver to take control in many cases. With version 13, however, the car can now start from a parked position, shift gears, drive, and park itself without human intervention, essentially performing a full drive from point A to point B and parking at the destination, which is a major step towards the goal of autonomy. However, it's important to note that FSD isn't perfect just yet. While Tesla's FSD system has made huge strides, it still requires some human intervention. Tesla vehicles have eye-tracking technology, and drivers are still required to take control in certain situations, such as bad weather or other challenging conditions. The system isn't flawless, but it's improving steadily. The key point that's often overlooked is that Tesla doesn't need its FSD system to be perfect at launch. Just like other autonomous services such as Waymo, Tesla may start using remote operators to assist the vehicle if it encounters a problem. This means that Tesla doesn't need FSD to be fully autonomous right out of the gate. Instead, the system can operate with human oversight and gradually evolve as it gains more data and experience on the road. Speaking of Tesla's plans to scale its FSD capabilities, another major development is Tesla's exploration into wireless charging technology. At the recent Cybercab event, Tesla unveiled its wireless charging technology, which could play a key role in the future of autonomous ride-hailing. Wireless charging would allow the robo-taxis to autonomously drive over charging pads, eliminating the need for human intervention. For now, Tesla is focused on scaling its existing infrastructure, but in the future, wireless charging could help make Tesla's autonomous taxi fleet much more efficient and reduce the need for human interaction. When it comes to launching Tesla's autonomous taxi fleet, the company is starting small, with plans to launch the service in California and Texas first, likely in places like Silicon Valley and Austin. The idea is that Tesla will use a small fleet of their own vehicles at first, supplemented by cars from Tesla owners who opt into the program. This strategy not only helps meet peak demand, but also gets customers excited about the idea of earning money from their own Tesla vehicles by participating in the autonomous taxi service. Over time, Tesla may expand this model to include third-party companies that own and operate the cars for Tesla, further expanding the fleet without requiring Tesla to manage the entire operation. In the long term, the shift towards autonomous ride-hailing services fits perfectly with the broader trends in the automotive and transportation industries. Younger generations are increasingly less interested in owning cars, and ride-hailing services like Uber and Lyft are gaining popularity. The rise of autonomous vehicles could take that trend to the next level, making ride-hailing even more affordable and convenient. Tesla is positioning itself to be at the center of this transformation, offering not just vehicles, but an entire ecosystem of autonomous transportation. This future of autonomous ride-hailing will also create new opportunities for entrepreneurs. For example, people could invest in fleets of Tesla vehicles and operate them as part of the autonomous taxi network. This is not a far-fetched idea. There are already individuals and companies, particularly in Europe, planning to operate Tesla fleets for this very purpose. In fact, the taxi medallion model from cities like New York, where one person owns multiple cars, could be a model for how fleets are organized in the future. The beauty of this model is that it removes the need for drivers, who are often the most expensive part of the ride-hailing business. But what about the competition? Many have questioned whether Tesla's competitors can catch up. Companies like Waymo, which is a part of Google's parent company Alphabet, have made significant strides in autonomous driving technology. However, Tesla has a crucial advantage in the amount of real-world driving data it has collected. Tesla vehicles have driven billions of miles on public roads, gathering data on a wide range of driving conditions, which is an invaluable resource in improving autonomous driving systems. Other companies simply don't have this level of data, and it will take years for them to catch up. Tesla's ability to operate a fully integrated, vertically structured business also gives it an edge. The company manufactures its own vehicles, which reduces costs and increases efficiency. This is in contrast to companies like Uber, which have to rely on a third-party network of drivers to operate their service. By eliminating the need for drivers, Tesla not only lowers operating costs, but also makes its autonomous ride-hailing service more scalable and profitable. In addition to the ride-hailing side of Tesla's business, there is also the delivery aspect to consider. Tesla has already developed the semi-truck, which could be used for freight delivery, and they have the potential to use their vehicles for last-mile delivery as well. While traditional delivery methods involve expensive, fuel-guzzling vehicles, Tesla's electric vehicles could dramatically lower the cost of delivery, making it more efficient and sustainable. This is another area where Tesla is positioning itself to revolutionize an industry. The potential for Tesla's autonomous taxi fleet and its impact on the ride-hailing market is enormous. According to some estimates, autonomous taxis could drive down the cost of transportation to as low as 22 cents per mile, a significant reduction from the $2 per mile charge by current ride-hailing services like Uber and Lyft. This price drop will make autonomous taxis even more attractive to consumers, leading to massive adoption. As Tesla scales its fleet and continues to improve its FSD technology, the company could become a dominant player in the global transportation market. The economic impact of this transformation could be staggering. Some analysts estimate that the autonomous taxi market could be worth $8 to $10 trillion by 2030, which is almost half the size of the U.S. economy. This presents an unprecedented opportunity for Tesla, and the company is well-positioned to capitalize on it. As autonomous vehicles take over, they will not only reduce accidents but also increase efficiency and lower the cost of transportation for consumers. In terms of Tesla's stock price, many investors are excited about the future of the company. Some analysts have set a price target of $4,000 per share by 2027, factoring in the company's leadership in both autonomous vehicles and electric vehicles. This price target reflects the immense potential of Tesla's business model, particularly as the autonomous taxi and energy markets continue to grow. Tesla's ability to scale and generate recurring revenue through its autonomous taxi network will likely become a major driver of its stock price in the coming years. Ultimately, what sets Tesla apart is its ability to execute on its ambitious vision. The company has demonstrated time and again that it can deliver groundbreaking technology, from electric vehicles to autonomous driving and energy solutions. Tesla is not just building cars, it's building the future of transportation, energy, and AI. With its massive data advantage, vertical integration, and ambitious plans for autonomous ride-hailing, Tesla is positioned to dominate the industry for decades to come. As the market for autonomous vehicles grows, Tesla will continue to push the envelope, and investors who believe in the company's long-term vision are poised to reap the rewards. Whether it's through electric cars, autonomous taxis, or energy solutions, Tesla is shaping the future in ways that few other companies can match. The future of transportation is electric, autonomous, and connected, and Tesla is leading the way.